Hey guys, let's do some windshield wiper math. A windshield wiper arm has a length of 22 inches and the wiper blade is 18 inches. It rotates 120 degrees. Find the area the wiper wipes when it wipes. So basically we have a large circle and a smaller circle. And the wiper is only wiping through 120 degrees of those circles. And if we subtract these from each other, we'll get the exact area that the windshield wiper is wiping. The radius of the larger circle is the entire arm, which is 22. And the radius of the smaller circle is what the blade doesn't cover, which is just 4. The area of each of these circles is pi r squared. This one where the radius is 22 and this one where the radius is 4. But we're not doing the entire circle, but we're only doing 120 degrees out of the total 360 degrees for both circles. And 120 over 360 can simplify into 1/3. 22 squared is equal to 484 and 4 squared is equal to 16. We can multiply 1/3 times 484 to give us this, and we can multiply 1/3 times 16 to give us this. And now we're ready to subtract these two terms. So we end up with the fraction 484 minus 16 is equal to 468, and the denominator is equal to 3. And this will be multiplied by pi. 468 divided by 3 is equal to 156, and we just give it a label of inches squared, and we now have our area. The wiper wipes 156 pi inches squared, and that's approximately 490.09 inches squared. How exciting.